Hello there, hello everywhere, I'm back Thing and welcome to my vlog. Today, we are here at Al Bayt Stadium. Welcome to Al Bayt Stadium! Al Bayt Stadium is one of the stadiums FIFA World Cup will be using in 2022. Actually, this will be the place where the opening match will be held. So today, I will be walking around the stadium. They also have McDonald's here where they design it as tent, so it's quite interesting. They do have also a jogging track, cycling lane as well, so it's a stadium with park around it. They also have some exercise area. After jogging, cycling or walking, you can do your stretching. It's nice here. Al Bayt Stadium is resemblance to the tent of the Arabic nomadic people. Al Bayt Stadium is a football stadium in Al Khor, Qatar, intended to be used for matches in 2022 FIFA World Cup. These pyramid structures will be some sort of kiosk or food stalls later on. Nice idea and pleasant to the eyes. You would find plenty of parking areas all around the stadium, so you wouldn't have a problem parking your car. Al Bayt Stadium is located here in Al Khor. This stadium has a capacity of 60,000 seats. 60,000 spectators can be accommodated in this stadium. And if you don't have ticket, you can just sit around here in the park and just hear or listen to the screaming fans while watching the match outside. Probably they will be having some TV heroes. Al Bayt Stadium is around 68 kilometers from Hamad International Airport and 48 minutes drive. It is just 44 kilometers from the city center or 34 minutes drive, so it's not very far. Qatar is not so big country, so you can just visit the whole country in just one day. I wasn't able to walk along the stadium because some areas are closed. Maybe they're still doing some constructions. At least I'm able to show you the surrounding area of the stadium. So that's our quick vlog about Al Bayt Stadium. Next stop is Lusail Stadium. There is a metro station near Lusail Stadium, so it's easily accessible. Everything around here is still under construction. Lusail Stadium is still under construction, so I think that's the end of our vlog today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my next vlog. Backwards. Bakling.